Liverpool to Norwich, taking it easy. It has a red. There's lots of activity on track behind me on the line. Now I've gone double Lambert. Next stop for this, Chesterfield, then Alfred. Daventry DRS Tesco to Doncaster Airport, still accelerating after being stopped at Troll for a DMR service. West Coast Mainline divert. Daventry to Doncaster Airport. York Skelton sidings to Knighton Junction sidings, just to the south of Leicester. I'm on them, power gen to Derby RTC. Pair of Voyagers on a service from Penzance to Edinburgh. This service with no hold up should take roughly 10 hours and 40 minutes. Currently only 6 lane, heading north from Chesterfield, next stop, Sheffield. Coming the other way is Meridian, on a service from Sheffield to London St Pancras. Nottingley to Towton TMD, following a stopper. Vauxhall up receptions to Leicester LIP. On the bi-directional 45-mile-an-hour line between Langley Mill and Ilkeston. This meridian is proceeding under red. Having been stood at the north side of the station for a good 3 or 4 minutes. Obviously taking his time, so Belmont Barnyard to Towton TMD. West Coast Mainline divert. Daventry to Grangemouth. Another meridian going through a red. Keeps up much longer, there's going to be some serious trains all over the place. West Coast Mainline divert, Daventry to Coatbridge. Walsall Freight Terminal to Dowlow Briggs, 51 late passing Ilkeston. Third consecutive service going north, going to a red this time. And Nottingham to Leeds. That's 195.
We are sorry to announce that the 11:21 Northern service to Manchester.
I think they're working on the track just around the corner. You'll probably have a tone in the road, I'm not sure.